Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a physics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajada. Student, today I am taking the another topics related to numerical section of chapter number 2, class 12 physics. The name of chapter electrostatic potential and capacitance. Student, the first numerical today charge. Today we take the numericals related to chapter number 2. First, two charges 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb are located 16 centimeter apart. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential zero? पहले तो क्वेश्चन को समझेंगे. हमको ये बोला है let we consider a two charges 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Both are take the distance will be equal of 16 centimeter. ध्यान से समझिए. Let me consider capital A and capital B are 2 points which consist two charges. Positive charge 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and negative charge minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, and distance between them will be equal of 16 centimeter. Okay student, distance between A and B will be equal of 16 centimeter. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential zero? मतलब मुझे एक ऐसा पॉइंट सर्च करना है स्टूडेंट जहां पर टोटल इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, टोटल दैट मीन्स V1 प्लस V2, V1 दैट मीन्स पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू पॉइंट A एंड V2 दैट मीन्स पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू पॉइंट B. तो मुझे रिजल्ट दैट मीन्स V1 प्लस V2 कितना हो जाए, विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 0. ओके स्टूडेंट, लेट वी कंसिडर अ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A एंड C विल बी इक्वल ऑफ x. देखिए आप बोलेंगे सर ये तो क्वेश्चन इतना ही रिलेट हुआ, तो ये हमारे क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पार्ट है और उसके बाद हमको कैलकुलेट करना है टेक द पोटेंशियल एट इंफिनिटी टू बी 0. फिर हमको इस वाले पॉइंट को कहां पर पुट करना है, इंफिनिटी पे पुट करना है और हमको वहां पर कैलकुलेशन करना है. वेरी गुड. तो ए सी, लेट मी कंसिडर अ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए एंड सी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ x such that a distance between B and C total will be equal of 16 and this part will be equal of x. So remaining part will be equal of 16 minus x centimeter. Okay student, now we take a potential on a point C due to point A. Then we have to calculate the potential on a point C due to point B. Now first one, V1, what is the standard formula of V? V that means a potential will be equal of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay student, charge that means a Q1 and here let me consider this is a Q2. So Q1 and distance will be equal of AC. Since Q1 will be equal of 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, so V replaced by the V1, V1 will be equal of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and charge 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and distance AC will be equivalent of x. Equation number first. Now we take a potential on point C due to B such that V2 will be equal of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and charge that means Q2 and distance will be equal of BC. Okay student, BC will be equal of 16 minus x and Q2 will be equal of minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 such that V2 will be equal of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb whole divided by x. 16 minus x. इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड. स्टूडेंट ध्यान समझिए क्या बोल रहा है ये क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि हमारे पास कितने चार्ज है, दो. फर्स्ट वन 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 that means a positive charge and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 that means a negative charge. और ये कहाँ है, एक दूसरे से कितने डिस्टेंस पे, 16 सेंटीमीटर पे. तो मुझे एक ऐसा पॉइंट कैलकुलेट करना है जहां पर रिजल्टेंट पोटेंशियल कितना हो जाए, 0. ठीक है, एट अ point capital C resultant potential will be equal of 0. That means V1 plus V2 will be equal of 0. The value of V1 will be equal of 1/4π∈0 देखिए 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 and distance will be equal of x by equation number first, and v2 will be equal of 1/4π∈0 minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 and distance will be equal of 16 minus x equal to 0. Resultant potential will be equal of 0 for the balancing condition. Student, 1/4π∈0 into 10 to the power minus 8 is a common element. Then we take 5 by x plus minus 3 whole divided by 16 minus x will be equal of 0. This is a multiple of these brackets. So after the simple calculation, we getting the 5 by x plus minus 3, 16 minus x will be equal of 0. Such that 5 by x plus minus 3 divided by 16 minus x will be equal of 0. Okay, students. Simple LCM between these and these. So 5 into 16 minus x minus 3 into x will be x into 16 minus x will be equal of 0. LCM आपको आता होगा these into these and these into these or these into these. Now ये क्या है denominator 0 will be equal of 0 by 1. Then after the cross multiplication we getting 5 16 minus x minus 3 into x will be equal of 0. Okay, students, 16 5s are 80. So 80 minus 5x minus 3x will be equal of 2. 80 minus plus, so we getting the minus 8x will be equal of 0. Negative convert into the form of positive, so 8x will be equal of 80. So x will be equal of 80 divided by 8. X will be equal of 10. क्वेश्चन, जो क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेट है ध्यान से देखिए, यहाँ पर 2 SI यूनिट का यूज करा है, कूलम चार्ज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है और सेकंड वन इज द सेंटीमीटर जो कि डिस्टेंस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सो x विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 10 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द x? दैट मीन्स distance between the A and C. What is the mean of the A? That means a 5 into 10 to the power minus 8. That means a positive charge. So distance, required distance from positive charge will be 10 centimeter. This is a case number first of this numerical. When electric potential will be equal of 0. Now we take the second condition for the infinity. ध्यान से देखिए स्टूडेंट, मैं फिर से एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. According to the statement of this numerical, we have the 2 types of the charges. First one is the positive charge and second one is the negative charge, and distance between them will be equal of 16 centimeter. We have to calculate the electric potential 0 at a point C. C हमने कितना ले लिया? Let we consider a distance between A and C will be equal of x, such that distance between B and C will be equal of 16 minus x. Okay students, so V1, the value of V1 कितना होता है? We know that the value of potential will be equal of 1/4π∈0 charge by distance. Okay student, here we taking the first charge Q1 at a point A, Q2 at a point B. Okay student, this is the value of V1 and V2, equation number 1 and 2. Now at a point C, या तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 0. केस नंबर फर्स्ट, V1 plus V2 will be equal of 0. We put the value of the V1 and V2. देखिए 1/4π∈0, 1/4π∈0 and 10 to the power minus 8 is a common factor. ये इसके into में सामना लेके अपॉन में, so we getting the 0. Finally LCM between these and this, so we getting the x will be equal of 10 centimeter. What is the mean of the x? X, that means a distance of point C from the point A, मतलब from the positive charge. So required distance from the positive charge will be equal of 10 centimeter. Student, now we take the second part of this question. Take the potential at infinity to be zero. That means AB. आपने बिहार देखा AB, that means a dipole which consists of two charges, positive charge and negative charge, and third one consists at infinity, that means a C is here and the distance between the A and C will be equal of x, suppose x centimeter, because the distance between the A and B will be equal of 16 centimeter. So we take x in the form of centimeter. A, that means a positive charge 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, and B, that means a negative charge minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Okay student, ये कितना है x और ये कितना है 16. So distance between the B and C will be equal of x minus 16. ध्यान से देखिए, पिछले वाले में यहाँ पर कितना आया था 16 माइनस x, क्योंकि ये कितना था 16 और ये कितना था x. तो ये जो पार्ट था ये पिछली बार आया था 16 माइनस x, और अब कितना आ रहा है स्टूडेंट x माइनस 16. तो मैं C पर we have to calculate the C पर potential due to A due to B. फिर मैं रिजल्टेंट निकालूंगा, that means V1 plus V2 similarly. तो ध्यान से देखिए, V1 will be equal of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught fast charge and distance between them, that means AC. Okay student, and second one, अगर जो हम इसको निकाल भी लेते हैं यहीं पर 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge will be equal of 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power minus 8, and AC will be equal of x, equation number first. And second one, V2 will be equal of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught second charge, that means a Q2 charge, Q2, and distance from B to C will be equal of BC, such that V2 equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge will be equal of minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8, and BC will be equal of x minus 16, equation number second. According to the condition, according to the situation, V1 plus V2 will be equal of 0, because infinity पर कितना होगा नेट पोटेंशियल will be equal of 0. So V1 plus V2 will be equal of 0. V1 will be equal of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and charge 5 into 10 to the power minus 8, and distance will be equal of x. Okay students, second one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge, that means a minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 8, and distance will be equal of 16 minus x minus 16. Okay student, now will be equal of 0. ध्यान से देखिए स्टूडेंट, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 10 to the power minus 8 is a common factor between them. This and this is a common factor between them. So we take 5 by x and minus 3 divided by x minus 16 will be equal of 0. This is a multiple of this bracket. So ये इसके डिवाइड में जाएगा तो हमको कितना मिलेगा 5 by x plus minus minus 3 x minus 16 will be equal of 0, such that this into this, that means a 5 into x minus 16 and 3 into x whole divided by x minus 16 will be equal of 0. As you know that very well, ये डिनोमिनेटर में है, 0 will be equal of 0 by 1, then cross multiply we getting the 5 x minus 16 minus 3x will be equal of 0. Okay student, 5 into x will be equal of 5x, 5 into 16 will be equal of 80, and minus 3x will be equal of 0. Plus minus minus 5x minus 3x will be equal of 2x minus 80 will be equal of 0, such that 2x will be equal of positive 80, x will be equal of 80, divide by 2, x will be equal of 40, and the unit of x is a centimeter. So required solution x will be equal of 40 centimeter. X that means a distance of point C from the point A, that means a positive charge. So required distance from a positive charge will be equal of 40 centimeter. Okay student, and required distance from negative charge, अगर जो नेगेटिव चार्ज की बात करें तो x माइनस 16 एंड x विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 40, 40 माइनस 16, 40 माइनस 16, दैट मीन्स 24 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज अ फाइनल रिजल्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, इस क्वेश्चन में कितने केस थे? 2 cases आर देयर. फर्स्ट वन इज द वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट a 0 and second one is the potential at a infinity. Student, now we take the another numerical 3 capacitor. What is the meaning of the capacitor? Representator C of capacitance 2pf, 3pf, 4pf are connected in parallel. सबसे पहले हम एक डायग्राम बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay student, this is a 3 capacitors. Let me consider this is a C1, this is a C2 and this is a C3. The value of C1, the value of C2, the value of C3 will be equal of 2pf, then 3pf, then 4pf. Okay student, are connected in parallel. This is a structure of parallel combination. We have to calculate first one. What is the total capacitance? Total capacitance, first one. That means C. We have to calculate the C in the formula of parallel combination. C will be equal of C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, students. Second one. Determine the charge. What is the meaning of the charge? Charge, that means Q. तो आप ध्यान से देखिए. You know that C will be equal of Q by V. C equals to Q by V such that Q will be equal of CV. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वाले में हमको फॉर्मूले की जरूरत पड़ेगी. C will be equal of C1 plus C2 plus C3 and सेकेंड वाले में determine the charge, that means Q equal to CV. Okay student, टोटल चार्ज ऑन ईच कैपेसिटर, मतलब हर एक कैपेसिटर पर मुझे इंडिविजुअल चार्ज को कैलकुलेट करना है. इफ द कॉम्बिनेशन इज कनेक्टेड टू 100 वोल्ट सप्लाई, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं इस कनेक्शन को मैं किसी एक से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूं जहां पर उसका वोल्टेज कितना है, वी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 100 वोल्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, मैं सबसे पहले एक डायग्राम प्लॉट कर लेता हूं ताकि मुझे खुद को अपने आप में समझने और समझाने में इजी हो. क्या बोल रहा है ये क्वेश्चन? 3 चार्जेस C1, C2, C3, सॉरी 3 कैपेसिटर C1, C2, C3 आर कनेक्ट इन द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. फर्स्ट वन, ठीक है. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. नाउ वी सॉल्व द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द टोटल कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ capacitor when capacitor arranged in a parallel combination? The formula of parallel combination, C will be equal of C1 plus C2 plus C3. तो ध्यान से देखिए, C1 will be equal of 2pf, C2 will be equal of 3pf and C3 will be equal of 4pf. Student, in the previous video we study about the mu. Mu will be equal of 10 to the power minus 6 and p will be equal of mu, that means 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 will be equal of 10 to the power minus 2. Okay student, this is a rough part. C1 will be equal of 2 into p, convert into the form of 10 to the power minus 12f and 3 into 10 to the power minus 12f and this is 4 into 10 to the power minus 12f. Okay student, this is the standard value of C1, C2, C3 in the form of farad. Now for the parallel combination, we applied the standard formula C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 such that C equal to C1, that means 2 into 10 to the power minus 12 plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 12 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 12. स्टूडेंट ध्यान से देखेंगे, 10 to the power minus 12, 10 to the power minus 12, 10 to the power minus 12 is a common factor. So here 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 4 will be equal of 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, that means 9 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, this is a final answer. बट 10 to the power minus 12 also equal to p, तो आप आंसर चाहे तो c will be equal of 9pf भी लिख सकते हैं, जो क्वेश्चन में आपको बताया गया. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द first part. Now we take the second part of same question. Determine the charge on each capacitor, that means q equal to cv. q equal to, ठीक है, चार्ज ऑफ फर्स्ट कैपेसिटर q equal to cv, the charge of second capacitor q equal to cv, the charge of third capacitor will be equal of cv. तो ध्यान से देखिए, in the case of the first, let we consider q1, q2, q3. Here c1, c2, c3. But you know that very well, in the case of the parallel combination, the amount of potential always constant. मतलब ये जो v है, यहाँ पर भी v होगा, यहाँ पर भी v होगा और यहाँ पर भी v. मतलब हर एक पोजीशन पे amount of potential will be equal of 100 volt, such that c1, the value of c1 will be equal of 2 pf into 100, so will be equal of 200 volt. Okay student, the value of c2 will be equal of 3, so 3 into 100 will be equal of 300 volt, and the value of c3 will be equal of 4 pf, that means 4 into 100, so required solution will be equal of 400 volt. The solution for the first part will be equal of 9 pf, and second part will be equal of 200 volt, 300 volt and 400 volt. This is a solution when we take the value of the C1, C2, C3 will be equal of 2, 3, 4 in the form of the PF. When we apply, C1 will be equal of 2 into 10 to the power minus 12. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 100. अगर जो हम यहाँ पर वैल्यू क्या पुट करें, 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 12 या 3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 12, और यहाँ पर अगर जो हम वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 12, सो वी गेटिंग द आंसर्स विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 200 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 12 वोल्ट, 300 into 10 to the power minus 12 volt and 400 into 10 to the power minus 12 volt. ओके स्टूडेंट, मैंने आपको सभी टाइप के आंसर्स बता दिए हैं. आप उसको 2, 3, 4 के फॉर्म में पुट करेंगे तो भी आंसर आएगा p वोल्ट. और अगर जो आप यहाँ पर 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस, 3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस और 4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस पुट करते हो तो यू गेटिंग द आंसर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 200 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 12, 300 into 10 to the power minus 12 and 400 into 10 to the power minus 12 volt. Okay student, I hope you getting the solution related to potential and capacitance related to chapter number 2. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Student, please like, share, subscribe and also study from our channel. Thank you so much.